is brought to you by Modelo.
Yo, we're gonna be checking out the top 10 flash finishes in the UFC right now.
Here we go.
We got McGregor and Aldo.
The notorious Conor McGregor.
This is when he was in his. This is when he was pretty damn good.
Conor relaxed and smiling.
He was in his youth there. Oh. Oh, just a little tap on that chin. Oh, he took that blow too.
Unbelievable. The first punch he threw.
Dang. Slept him.
Tonight's fight clock brought to you by Modelo.
Oh, it's got some big boys here.
Ngannou is in black. Rosenstrike is in gray.
This has to be good right here. Ooh. Ooh.
The inside leg kick is there for Biggie Boy.
Haymakers. Oh.
It's over.
Rosenstrike is out.
He caught him with that haymaker.
Out bad. Out cold. Holy smoke.
So Francis Ngannou
He's just swinging wild.
Consecutive vicious first round knockout.
Cow. See, that's what we're talking about. You can't make any mistakes. You can't be there when the punches land. He's too powerful. It doesn't matter what kind of a technical striker you are. It doesn't matter how much experience you are. Francis.
All right.
This plus 360. This fight clock is brought to you by Modelo. Mershart.
Let's see what these boys right here got.
Blue. Chimaev orthodox in black.
Chimaev straight on the pressure like he always does.
Get your hands up. Ooh. He kissed him right on the chin, bro. Clean. That was so clean.
You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me.
You can't say much other than wow.
Wow. And I know, Paul, you're mixed with emotions as your teammate
He got right
goes
in there.
down. But Khamzat Chimaev had said he wanted to show off the strength.
He loves it.
All right,
He does
McKinney.
not shy away from wild exchanges.
Oh, that was so quick.
My goodness.
McKinney maximizing the debut.
Wow.
Going with the KFC, got that
That
two-piece.
is crazy.
So unofficially 7 seconds tied for the
7
fourth
seconds.
fastest finish in UFC history. Your record holder, of course, Jorge
That
Gamebred
boy pieced
Masvidal.
him up.
But Terrence
Arms to the side.
Yeah, that one
Finish
dude
in
kind of
the
looks
top of the
funny.
octagon. We're underway here. 3 possible rounds in the 205-pound division. Justin
Nice
Ledet
little
is
kick.
the underdog in the blue.
A little spinning hit.
And now heavy shots. But he fired a kick.
Wow.
Just that quickly.
The hype
that.
is real. Insane. Oh my God.
It wasn't like a clean knockout. Got him with that heel, backhand,
I think he got a little carried away with
and then he got on top of him to finish. But it wasn't like a clean knockout.
Continues to show everybody
Ref called it.
he can be one of the best in the world.
Well, let's let Johnny Walker have his celebration indeed.
I mean, celebrate.
This guy's
Little
athletic.
knockout.
Plus athlete.
Against the Korean zombie, Chan.
Oh, this Korean dude about to knock him out. Has to.
Tonight's clock brought to you by Battlefield 3. Above and beyond the call.
That didn't take much.
And it is all over.
Wow.
Just right there.
Called it. Called it.
Mark Hominick stepped forward recklessly, and Chan Sung
Oh.
Jung caught him on the button.
That was a clean hit.
Wow.
He took that opportunity. Oh yeah, he wasn't guarding.
You know what?
He was
Mike?
done.
He just stepped forward with no regard.
Yep, he was
for
done.
Chan Sung Jung's power and strength. Australia against Edmonton, Alberta's Ryan Jimmo. Tonight's fight clock brought to you by Victory Motorcycles.
Oh my gosh.
And it's over just right.
Bro, like,
Wow.
oh.
UFC record. That
might have
is
killed
what
him.
you call a debut.
Bro, he was sleeping.
How good was that?
Good night.
Man, that is about as good as you can do. That was just absolutely.
Oh, he didn't even have to hit him again.
One to Shera.
Here we go.
All right.
Trunks for
I know Johnson's about to knock him out.
Yellow
Huh.
trunks for Glover Teixeira.
Glover
colors
put
of his-
pressure on him right
Yeah.
away. Interesting.
Oh. got a little uppercut.
Good Lord. Wow. Good Lord.
That was clean too. Oh, his head went down. And he just caught him clean with that uppercut.
Be careful what you ask for, folks. Glover does not know what's happening. He's wrestling with Dan Miragliotta.
Well, there you have it. If you like this video, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos or my shorts, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.